Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring credentials and server reachability are ready. This saves wasted clicks. Once you have the server address and an account with viewing rights, launch Milestone XProtect Smart Client. Make sure you selected the correct connection profile and network path. If remote, enable VPN first. Enter your username and password, then wait for the server tree to populate. You'll see sites, cameras, and device status. This initial load tells you whether to continue or troubleshoot network or permission issues. Once connected, arrange your monitoring workspace by dragging cameras into a multi-cell view or opening saved layouts. Use the timeline to scrub back in time. Click to jump to events and set bookmarks for important moments. If you need exports, select the export tool and choose footage range and format. Export while keeping chain of custody details. Make sure video decoding uses your GPU if available, and switch stream profiles to balance resolution versus bandwidth so live monitoring stays responsive. Finish your session by exporting required clips with timestamps and metadata, confirming the file plays back correctly. Save any layout or preset changes so your next session matches expectations, and log out cleanly. If something goes wrong, video missing, playback choppy, or authentication fails, do a quick check. Confirm server service status, review smart client logs, verify network latency, and switch between stream profiles. And confirm your user role has the needed privileges. That single check resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.